Hi guys, we are from LAX2013 after 5 group 12. Today we'll be recording our sixth group discussion video, which will be the interview video review number 3. I am Sutehsan son of B Gunasegaran. My metric number is 203708. I'm from Faculty of Engineering and I'm currently studying second year in Bachelor's of Electrical and Electronics Engineering.
Hello everyone, my name is Dineswaran Murugan and my matrix number is 202600. I'm also from Faculty of Engineering from Bachelor's of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, second year.
Hello everyone, my name is Kavieraj Anbualagan. My matrix number is 203706. I'm from Faculty of Engineering as well, and I'm currently taking a Bachelor of Electric and Electronical Engineering, second year.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhesh Dhaarwind A Gunalan. My matrix number is 203134. I'm also from the Faculty of Engineering and I'm also doing a Bachelor's of Electrical and Electronic Engineering.
Hi everyone, my name is Shayleshaan A. Vijayen. My matrix number is 204626. I'm also from Faculty of Engineering.
Hi, my name is Shri Viknsh. My matrix number is 201742. I'm also from the Faculty of Engineering, currently studying Bachelor of Electrical and Electronic Engineering, also in second year.
We have today we are supposed to interview two guests who study or read after 5 o'clock after their classes finish, and we have them now. So guys, can you introduce yourself, please?
Okay, hello, my name is Dineswaran A. My matric number is 202585. I'm taking Bachelor of Civil Engineering and I'm second year.
Hello everyone, my name is Linkeshwar Mulkasu and my matrix number is 203701. I'm doing Bachelor in Mechanical Engineering and I'm from Engineering faculty.
Hey guys, so can we proceed with the interview questions?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I shall start with the first interview question and then Kavieraj will be next to ask the questions. So, okay, my first question is, how much time you guys spend on reading or studying after 5 p.m.?
My notes after 5 o'clock.
For me, I will use around 1 to 2 hours per day to do to study to read books, story books.
Okay, that's interesting.
Okay, so the second question is, what type of study materials do you guys read? Like, is it from the study materials or novels or comics, something like that?
Okay, I used to do notes for my subject, for example, structural analysis, hydraulics, and soil mechanics. So I will study my notes again and again to understand better about the topic I'm studying.
So how about you, Lingesh?
I read storybooks such as Harry Potter by J.K. Rowling and also comic books of mangas, title of Attack of Titan that I could find from internet, and also the book I bought from the from bookshop.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, so now we'll proceed the next question. So, do you guys have the energy or the motivation to study or read after an exhausting day? If yes, how do you guys motivate yourself? And if no, how do you motivate yourself to study or read after 5 p.m.?
Okay, yes, I will have some energy to study or read my notes even though I feel tired. It is because education is more important for me to have a bright future in the future. So, and it is also makes feel me better because there will be no any other commitments after 5 o'clock. So therefore, I can catch up what I'm studying easily.
For me, when I'm having an exhausting day, I won't read so much of books because I will prefer to take rest during the days.
That's nice.
Okay, so the next question is, how do you people benefit from reading or studying after 5 p.m.?
Okay, for me, what I benefits from reading books, it helped me to improve my language skills and also my writing skills during writing an essay, and also it also helped me to get a lot of knowledge in doing some, from reading, for to me to write in essay stories like that, etc.
Okay, for me, by revising and studying again and again, it's helped me to understand better about the subjects. Therefore, I able to score higher in my tests and my finals. That's all from me.
That's good.
Okay, I should ask the next question. Do you guys have any friends, or should I say company, to do your reading or studying? If yes, will you guys invite them? Or if no, what does it feel being left out and not reading and being reading alone?
For me, I prefer to read alone because it will help me to concentrate more on the studies and also the reading book. Won't be distracted by others when we have friends. They will when we will talk with them and it will distract me from concentrating on the reading on the books.
I also prefer to study alone because I can concentrate more. If we have friends, we might talk to them, so we can't concentrate a lot.
All right,
Makes sense.
I'll ask the last question. Any advice for the people who wants to discipline themselves and who wants to study after 5 p.m. in the future? Do you guys have any advice for them?
I think I'm not having any other advice to other people because it's on their own interest. If they are rather want to study after read books after 5, or they want to do other activities, it's on their own opinion. So I'm not going to give any advice on that.
Okay, I will suggest
Okay,
that
thank you, Ligus.
students must do their revision after 5s. Therefore, they will not have any other commitments, so that they can understand more about what they are studying, and it is also good for their future. That's all.
Okay. Thank you very much, guys.
Okay, guys.
I
Thank
think
you
we
for
can.
calling us.
I think we can conclude our interview. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for joining us, guys. You may leave now.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
So let's conclude our the interview.
I can start by saying that our interview went smooth. I think the questions asked were very useful for not only us, for also the others watching the video. I think the questions also covered a wide scope for everyone who's viewing the video.
From my point of view, the interview went very well, and the questions asked was very good, and the answer was that what answered by the interviewees was on point and short.
For me, I think in this interview, I think the questions that were asked were more specific compared to the other interviews, because as we saw with the answers given, the interviewees didn't repeat the same answers. So that shows that the questions really varied. So yeah, that's good.
Yeah, I agree with Muhesh. My opinion was the same too. So I feel the interview was quite smoothly gone, and reply from the interview from the guest was very precise to the question which was asked.
Yeah, I agree with two of you guys, Shailesh and Muhesh. The interview went well, and we can say that we have improved a lot from compared to the last interview, because as he said, the questions were not very repetitive, and we were able to ask important questions in the given time. That's what I think.
Okay, first of all, thank you for the review, guys, for our interview. And I agree with all of you guys. For me personally, I think that the questions was not repeated like last time for like the past two interviews, and because of that, the guests didn't repeat their answers again and again, and their answers were specific and on point, and they didn't elaborate much, and they were straight to the point. So that made the interview clear, and for anyone who are watching our interview, they can clearly get whatever the guests are trying to say. So I think this interview went well, and since this is our last interview, I don't think we can improve anything after this. So that's all from me.
So since this is our last video, last meeting, so is there anything that we can, do you guys feel we can take away from this legs? Like any things we learned from these legs?
In my opinion, I think we learned how to held an interview session with our guests. We had 3 interview sessions, so we learned on how to conduct our interview sessions. And with each meeting, I think we improved our interview sessions, and we also learned on how to form the questions that we ask. Every time we asked the questions, we made sure that the answer was not repeated, and the questions was not repeated in each interview and meeting.
I totally agree with Viknsh. And besides that, what I learned from this LAX is that we can also improve our communication skills on how to ask the questions and also to answer them. And we can also like think what are the activities that we can ask them. So I think brainstorming was that's all I learned from this LAX.
I agree with Shri, Viknsh and Dineswaran. I feel that other than what you have stated is how we approach the guests to let them come to our interview. So we knew how to approach them to ask for permission to give them an interview. So I think that is from what we learned from this LAX too.
Do we have anything else to add?
I think
that's all. Yeah, that's all. No, it's just everyone has said what they have learned, and I think that's all. What I can add is that we have ideas that what people in our college are doing after their 5 o'clock classes. So that's the other thing that we learned from this LAX course.
And I also hope that by doing these 3 interviews, we ourselves have now have activities to do after 5, since it's quite boring during this MCU.
Yeah, I think we should use our time in a productive way also after the time after our classes.
Thank you guys for joining the meeting today.
Thank you.
Thank you guys
so much.
Thank you,
And
guys.
bye.
Thank you guys. Thanks for joining.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.